All right, so what's going on, everyone? Are we going to get a $500 breakout in Bitcoin Cash? We're going to try to talk about that today and see if this current price of 437, if that is a actual buy point. Is this the last price before we see another big drop in Bitcoin Cash? Because currently the market is going bananas, just like Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs. We're not hitting all-time highs in Bitcoin Cash, but it is participating alongside the ride with Bitcoin. Take a look at the price action in this currency since November the 5th. Like, the market in Bitcoin Cash has gone from a low of 326 all the way over there to a high of yesterday of 483, 485. That's 48% run up in just a mere couple of days. Let's break this down. Now, before I get started, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of this content. This is what we're here for. We're simply here just to give you guys ideas where we think price is going to go in a simplistic way. All right, so you guys can see on this chart right now, there isn't a price prediction on our chart, but hopefully we can actually drop one today, considering that we know who's driving the price, and it's currently the buyers in the market. So we can get rid of these sellers pockets right here first in Bitcoin Cash. The sellers in the market in Bitcoin Cash did not hold back the price action there. They didn't hold back the price action here, and they didn't do it here. So what we're going to do is get rid of those three sellers pockets. And now I'm going to create another one. You can kind of see it right here, that someone really decided to take some profit off the table in Bitcoin Cash around 480. Okay, so we're going to create that new sellers pocket there. Now, outside of us deleting those other three sellers pockets, we can now create buyers pockets, because this is where we're going to suspect buyers to be whenever the sellers push down the market. Okay, let's look at this on 330. This is another area that's being seen as a pocket. Somebody is buying this currency right there around 420 to like 428. And we'll tag this one as our third. Okay, so right now you guys can see that we are getting hit with some selling in the market in Bitcoin Cash, currently down 7.3%. And I mean, you can't be surprised. You can't be question yourself and say, why is the market down 7% right now in Bitcoin Cash? Well, the reason is because we saw that market run up 48% in like a couple of days. People want to come in and take the bag, right? Take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the 3. You guys can see that we got that weakness already being triggered on the 2. I'm sorry. Here it is on the 3. 1 day, 13 hours. That doesn't look bullish right now on this current 3-day price bar. Okay, that doesn't look bullish. Here it is on the 4. 4-day time frame, we did see a pretty good indication that market is bullish right there. We're currently going through some of the selling right now into the market in Bitcoin Cash. Here it is on the 5. I don't like the 5 right now neither, but we still got 3 days and 13 hours. Take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the weekly. Here it is on the 2. Bitcoin Cash on the 3. That 3 weekly chart right here, this bar, that looks pretty good. This is good too. Here it is on the 5. The 5 weekly looks good. Here's on monthly chart right now. So I think currently, as we're recording this video, we definitely need to see the market hold price. They've done a great job right now of holding price in Bitcoin Cash, but we're still seeing that there's someone, a couple of people, a couple of entities trying to offload their Bitcoin Cash as we saw price run up. Here it is on the 90-minute chart. You guys can see right here that the market is trying to hold price in this buyer's pocket. If they're continuing with that, we can expect the price to go higher. Here it is on the on the 30. Bitcoin Cash on the 17-minute. Okay. And here it is on the 7. So what do you guys think? I will have to give the edge to the buyers right now, since the momentum is in their favor. Seeing that the price has ran up in a very short time frame, we're going to anticipate that that's going to continue, right? But we do acknowledge that sellers are hitting this cryptocurrency right now. They are. We got to keep it real. And if they're going to continue to hit this cryptocurrency, then we need to anticipate price continuing to go lower. Specifically right here, this buyer's pocket. If they don't hold this buyer's pocket, then we need to look for price to come down to like 400, 395, or even all the way down here to 367 again. Now this will negate the fantastic run in Bitcoin Cash if price comes down to this third buyer's pocket. It will negate all of the work that the buyers did to move the market up to 480. But it would make sense though, because price is definitely breaking away from this overall trend line that we got on our chart too though. So I wouldn't be necessarily surprised, astonished, shocked if the price was to come back down to 370, because it will actually bring us closer to where the actual trend started in Bitcoin Cash. This is what a breakout looks like in the cryptocurrency space. We can see a market actually break away from trend. So I don't think this is sustainable. Okay, I don't think that's sustainable. We may see the market try to top out at 480 again before we see another bigger move to the downside, which is why we're not going to be overly bullish in this cryptocurrency yet. Okay, so we're just going to hold a target here at this first seller's pocket, either at the low or at the high. It's like 10% at the high at 482. And then we're going to up just a little bit more around this other seller's pocket around $500. That gives around 15% there. Okay, so that's it. We'll do that for the moment. All right, so the sooner we see buyers hold price, the better. Right now, I'm looking for price to continue to try to go lower, hit one of these two buyers' pocket. Cool, no issues. But if they don't hold these buyers' pockets, then this price prediction will be incorrect. I already know that. So I'm just sitting back watching to see if people are going to continue to buy this cryptocurrency, because if they will, then this price prediction that we already got on the chart is going to be correct. So I'm just kind of waiting to see if they're going to show up at these two areas. All right. Like I told you earlier, on this 330-minute chart, they've done that already. I can see these buyers trying to support the price right now. Hopefully they have enough money to support whoever's trying to sell. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.